What's up, you guys? This is Jesse's Paint Jobs, and today we're going to be custom painting a Trek Madone road bike. As always, let's start off by hitting this bike with some sealer. Now that I sprayed the sealer and we have a nice smooth surface, I could grab the small gun and shoot some black base. So it turned out that the sealer wasn't actually as smooth as I thought, so I had to grab some 800 grit sandpaper and sand down all the rough areas. Things like this happen all the time when you're painting, and it's best to just not fight them and roll with it. Now that I sanded down all the rough areas, I could go back with my black base and spray over all those areas I sanded down. Now that the base paint is all good, I'm going to grab some fine line tape and mask off the top of the frame. Now that I got the top of the frame all taped up, I'm going to fade in some silver paint. Now that I'm done with the silver fade, we could jump on over to throwing on some logos. This first logo is just going to stay silver, so I'm just going to backmask it. And for the big Trek logo on both sides of the bottom tube, I'm using brush foil chrome decal paper. Now I'm going to spray the entire frame with the Candy Apple Red. The Candy Apple Red on top of the black base is going to make it look more of like a kind of a darker red, like a cherry red. And on top of the silver, it's going to be nice and bright. And yes, we're spraying it on top of the chrome decal paper. I only sprayed the red candy paint on the frame and fork. I left the handlebars black, and I also painted the seat post, which is going to stay black as well. And now that I'm done spraying the candy paint, we could jump onto unmasking the whole frame. Now that I got the frame all unmasked, I could take care of the fourth and final logo. Now that I'm done with that logo, this bike is done and we can go ahead and clear it all in. And here's a close-up video of the bike all cleared in. Alright, that's all I got for you guys today. If you liked this video, it really helps if you press the like button. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on push notifications so you see the next time I post. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.